sang very well, Miss Alma.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Don't they call you the Nightingale of the Delta?
I think that Miss Alma does have a rather appealing voice, but she doesn't become too carried away by her singing.
You're inclined to dramatize your songs a bit too much. You get carried away with the emotion of it. That's why you choke sometimes and get hoarse when you're singing. And Mrs. Peacock says that sometimes you weep.
That's not true. It's true that I feel the emotion of a song. Why, even an ordinary little song, like The Voice That Breathed O'er Eden, or Oh Promise Me, or Because, why even commonplace little songs like I Love You Truly, they have a sincere emotion and a singer must feel it. And when you feel it, you show it. Admire her for her good qualities. I'm sure she must have some. But do not get involved. What are you waiting for, John?
For you to decide if you really want to go on with this adventure.